Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found Manus AI agent alternative and its name is OpenManus. It is completely free and open source. I will show you in this video how to use it step by step procedure. Here you see if you go to this repository and if you scroll down below, they have written Manus is incredible but OpenManus can achieve any idea without an invite code. So basically yesterday I made a video on this Manus AI because it is popular nowadays over the internet that Manus is an AI agent. This is a Chinese AI agent that can do any kind of task for you. But the problem is it is not available for all of the users. It is currently invitation only. So if they provide the invitation code to you, then only you can use this Manus. Now for them, those who don't have this invitation code, they can use this OpenManus. It is fully free and if you go to this OpenManus, then you will find this kind of page. The link is given in the description box. Please open that link. This is the GitHub link. Scroll down below and here you will find this method 1 for the installation locally, and this is the method 2. So we will go for this method 2 because it is recommended and also it is very much easy. So the first step is install the UV. Okay, so one thing, let me show you the demo that I have generated using this OpenManus. Okay, so it will be very much helpful for you that what we are going to do. Okay, so actually I installed this OpenManus locally. I will show you the procedure, but before that let me show you the demo. Here you see that OpenManus I have installed, and after that I ran this OpenManus locally. These are the step-by-step commands, and here you see that I gave a simple prompt to this OpenManus. That let me show you that prompt. Where is that? Yes, so I gave a simple prompt that build a fitness tracker website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you see that after running the step-by-step procedure, it has generated this fitness tracker website, because I have not added any modern things or I have not asked for any special addition or special features. Okay, so I just told it to generate the fitness tracker. This is a simple website. Okay, and here you see that I got it, and if you see this URL, this is the openmanus index.html. So all of these files you will get inside this OpenManus folder only. Okay, now let me show you the procedure how to do it. So first of all you have to install this UV. Okay, so I have given one link in the description box. This is the link, that docs.astral.sh, and if you go to this link, there you will find these two options. One is Windows, another one is Mac and Linux. So if you are on Windows, in that case click on this Windows and copy the first prompt. This is the prompt that you have to copy, and if you are on Mac or Linux, then also copy the first prompt. Okay, now as I am on the Windows, so I am showing you that things only, but the procedure is same for the Mac and Linux and Windows. Okay, now for Windows you have to open the Windows PowerShell. Okay, so open the Windows PowerShell, and there you have to paste the it whatever you have copied from the UV website and press enter. Now what will happen, that UV will be installed in your machine. Okay, now after that copy this git clone, this OpenManus GitHub repository you have to clone. Now let me show you that procedure also. So let me open it and let me scroll up. Here you see that I have written git clone and I have cloned it locally, and after that I got this folder. Here you see that this is the OpenManus folder that I have got, and after that you have to go inside that folder cd OpenManus. So I have also ran this command. Where is that? Yes, cd OpenManus, and after that you have to run this uvvenv. Okay, so here you see that uvvenv, and after that you have to run this thing. So for Windows you have to run this thing, venv scripts activate, and if you are on Mac or Linux, in that case you have to run this thing. Okay, remember this thing, they have also written here the instruction. So as I am on Windows, I am copying this second things, and here you see that I have pasted it and press enter. Okay, and after that you have to run this command, install dependencies, copy this, and here you see that ubpip install -r requirement.txt. Okay, so all the requirements will be installed. Here you see you will get this type of things in your terminal. Okay, now what you have to do, just write this code dot. Okay, so now it will be opened inside your VS Code, and if you go to this VS Code, and here you have to do the configuration. So if you go to this config file, here you see that, follow my cursor. If you go to this config file, there you will find this config.example.toml. Okay, now remove that example and make it config.toml. I think you got it. Remove that example and make it config.toml, and here you will find the previously written some configuration. So I have removed all of these things. I have just kept this Azure OpenAI because it is already commented. Now here I have used this Gemini 2.0 Flash. Okay, you can use any other Gemini model also, but here I have used this Gemini 2.0 Flash, and here I have used this base URL. This is the OpenAI compatible base URL, and here I have used this API key. Okay, this is the Gemini API key. By the way, this code I have given in the description. From there also you can copy this. Otherwise, I have given one blog link, our official blog link. There also you can go and you can follow the step-by-step procedure. Okay, it will be very helpful for you guys. So for the API key, what you can do, you can go to this website. This is the AI Studio, Google AI Studio, aistudio.google.com/API key. This link also given in the description box. If you don't have account, just make an account. And here you will find this get API key option. Click on this. You will find this page, and here you will find this create API key, and click on that. And here just select any of these things, or give any name, and after that click on this generate. You will get a API key. Okay, now I have used my own API key and this base URL, and this is the model. Okay, so remember these things. In this way you have to provide. Okay, don't miss any of these things, otherwise it will not work. So please watch this part again. If you face any problem, please watch this part again, because this is the most critical part of this configuration. Okay, below these things, this Azure OpenAI, you can remove these things, or anyway it is commented out. Okay, okay, so this configuration part is done. Now you can close your VS Code, and now again go to your terminal. Okay, so this is our terminal, and there you have to run this command. Let me show you. So here you see that this configuration part is done. And by the way, in your file, in your configuration file, previously this GPT-4o and this all OpenAI, all of these things are written. But if you want to use this OpenAI, in that case you have to pay the money. But we don't want to pay any money for this. That's why we have chosen this Gemini model. This is completely free. Okay, you can use the other models also that is available in the market. Like if you go to that hyperbolic, in that case you will find that deepseek R1, deepseek V3, many other models you will find. Okay, you can use that also. You just need one base URL, one API key, and model name. That is enough. Okay, so what you can do, you can just change this base URL, and you can just change the model and this API key. These three things you have to just change, and you can use any model. Okay, I hope you got the point. Okay, now what you have to do, just run this command python main.py. Okay, so if I go to my terminal, here you see that python main.py I have written, and just press the enter. Okay, and after that it will ask you that enter your prompt. So just follow my cursor what I have done. Okay, let me close all of these things and just open this only. Here you see that enter your prompt. This is the things that they will ask you. And here you see that I have written build a fitness tracker website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now here another thing you have to remember, if you now press enter, it will execute the command, but you can get error. Why? Because you have to install another command, which is the playwright install. So this playwright install is actually necessary to open your work in on the browser. Okay, so after generating this index.html and css javascript, it will open on a browser, right? So for that it needs a plugin. So this playwright install will actually install the Chromium browser, and it will do all of that. Okay, so here you see that I for the first try I got one error, this failure, because I didn't install this playwright. But after I install it, here you see that you just have to run playwright install. Okay, let me uh, let me tell you again. This is the, let me repeat it again. Here you see, that before running this command, okay, this python main.py, before running this command, again I am showing this from GitHub. Before running this python main.py, just run this command, this playwright install. Just run this command, and after it successfully executed, then only run this python main.py. And after that, here you see that it will ask you build fitness tracker website, means enter your prompt, and I have given this build fitness tracker website. And after that, here you see that it executing total 30 step, and this is the 4 by 30, 6 by 30 step. And after that, here you see that uh, it got terminated. And here you see that the interaction has been completed with status success. The last message that you will get, this is the last message. Here you see the interaction has been completed with status success. And now here you see that I have got this fitness tracker website. Okay, now if I give anything like 2, and here 5, and here 7, and add activity, here you see that it is working fine. And where you will find this, here if you closely observe this URL, so this is the URL that I am pointing currently. You see that inside OpenManus you will find this index.html. So if you go to this folder, right, if you go to this folder, here you see that your index.html, and here your style.css, your JS file. Okay, so in this way you can do generate any kind of app, and you can do this for your React or your Next.js or any kind of things. Okay, now if I generate another website, okay, so here you see that it is asking me enter your prompt. So let me generate weather website. Okay, build weather update website. Okay, build uh, weather update website. So press enter. Here you see that it is executing the step-by-step procedure. And here you see that if I scroll up, HTML structure, CSS structure, and JavaScript logic, it has thought. And after that, here you see, and yeah, I got this response from this OpenManus. And here you see that weather update, it is asking me for the city. So if I press like United States or New York, okay, so New York, if I press and click on get weather, there error fetching weather data, please check the city name and the API key. So basically it needs the API key because it is by default using any service. Okay, so for that you need to go to your JavaScript file. So if you go to your JavaScript, this is a script.js, and there you will find, here you see that API key. It is actually using this open weather map API key. Okay, so if you have to go to your open weather map website, there from there you have to gather your API key, put it here, and it will work fine. Okay, so here you see that the whole code, this is the whole code that you can generate, and you can copy it, and you can showcase your work to everyone. So this is one thing. And not only this website, you can do any kind of things that Manus is capable. So here you see that this is the trip planning, research, and this data analysis, and this recommendation for the course buying, any kind of things. You please try it on your own in your local machine, and just let me know your thought. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, guys. And if you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to follow the description. There I have given many links. So just follow it and do it.